Serge Bueno is a French artist and designer whose career has spanned photography, painting, interior design, and architecture. He is best known for his vivid creativity and ability to balance functionality with elegance. Pursuing a long-standing passion for motorcycles that started in his young age, Serge turned towards classic motorcycle and created Heroes Motors. Serge's ongoing challenge is to search for the most unique and rare motorcycles in the world. Finding one of these jewels in its raw form takes determination, global connections, and a bit of luck. Then, Serge must endure extreme patience to bring them back to life. There is a real sense of excitement before the restoration work gets underway. You need to be able to picture every single step, from beginning to end, before you can even start. Serge strives to ensure that every detail on a bike is finished to perfection. It's partly a token of respect to the original creators of these beautiful machines. Restoring these bikes is also a tribute to the values and ideals shared by riders all over the world.
This is Serge Bueno from California. Stay in touch.